Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we'll try to upgrade a Ubuntu 20.04 version to a Ubuntu 2020.04 version. So currently actually I'm running a Ubuntu version, Ubuntu which is running in my virtual box, and it is booting right now, and it's running actually, I installed it 20.04, which is quite older, and I'm trying to install some other software to learn Javix and things, and I'm getting error because I cannot install Javix front end and the server in a Ubuntu 20.04 because it's outdated. So what next? So I actually open any kind of some different kind of alternatives. I found some older version, but the official one suggested actually I might need to upgrade. So we'll try to fix that problem right now. So my Ubuntu server is now booting it. Let's wait for that. I think it's booted up now. I'll be back with you guys once server is got booted. So here we go, my server is got back online. Let me just change the screen size to something like this now, so I can easily view it. Okay, so this much is enough. Okay, it's clearly visible now. So for your information, let me just type you new new fetch, and you're gonna see here it is running Ubuntu 20.04.6 LTS, which is already is a latest version, the long-term support version. But we're gonna try to upgrade it to 20.22.04, okay, or something like to any upgraded version. So first of all, you need to run two commands. First of all, that is sudo apt update, which is an upgrade. Actually, I already did it. Let me just copy paste here again. I'm gonna type my old password. I'm sorry, new password here. So here we go. Some upgraded and some failed also it came, but ignore, no issue. Now the second command is it's sudo apt upgrade -y. So let me just just copy and paste it here. Oh, I forgot to put sudo here and put enter. So I think everything is upgraded already, because just previous I just now actually updated. I just run that command again, and it's now showing everything updated. So now we need to run one more command, which is sudo do -release and -upgrade. This command is to write and press enter. So it's now checking the Ubuntu releases. If it is available, it's gonna tell us. I think it started, which is Zimmy. So it's trying to install Zimmy. I think it's 2020.04. He found out it's already available, so it's trying to install it. Now it's asking to continue. Please press enter. Okay, because some third-party entries in your source code is disabled. Okay, it will be disabled. We need to enable it once it's upgraded. So it started upgrading it. So I'm gonna wait for now until it got finished. I'll back once it got over, right? Okay, now it is asking about you're gonna download some MB of files right now, which you're gonna take most of the time. So I'm gonna type yes now, and let's continue. So it started now upgrading it, and as he already mentioned, it will take several hours. Till several hours, I'm not gonna run this video. I'm gonna stop it again once I come back. Once it's over, I'm gonna come back. So here we guys, we have now successfully booted into our Ubuntu 2024, I guess. Let me just try to install. Let's see. Yep, it is 2020.04. So it took me more than actually 1 hour above, and I finally installed it now. And I'm trying to install it because I didn't install that time some of the softwares which is that's the reason it is I currently the copy pasting is not working. I'm trying to figure it out those things right now, but we have now successfully installed to an Ubuntu 2020.04 from Ubuntu 20 to Ubuntu 2020.04. It was quite easy. Just need to run one command and have some patience. So this is how we can upgrade it, and there's another method also we can do that. That is also takes some time, but this is how. I hope you like this video. Thank you.